Hi, today is the 8th assignment. So today I want to look at the state of your heart. I choose this organ because a lot of times we are carrying the things in our hearts. And I want to look at it. How does it feel today regarding birth, regarding your relationship, regarding your baby, regarding your circumstances that you are living in, regarding your work? How does your heart feel here and now? You will take a pen and piece of paper, sense your heart. What is important is that you really just try to sense it. Don't force it. Maybe the image of your heart will come in a physical shape, in a color, in a vibration. Whatever it comes, try not to suppress it. Try to just feel it, observe it, and once you have it, you open your eyes and you start writing. I choose this organ because, as I said, we carry a lot of things in our hearts, but you can do the same exercise for every organ in your body. How does your stomach feels today? How does your skin feels today? I don't want to overwhelm you, so start with the heart, and then you will see if you want to do the same exercise for different organ. Once you finish, do the body scan, naming the emotions, and of course, breathing exercise. Have a nice day, and we see each other in 9th assignment.